Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered about the brilliance of Venus, our neighboring planet? From the dawn of civilization, this gleaming celestial body has captivated us. Ancient societies, without the aid of modern technology, recognized Venus as a unique object in the sky, known as the evening star when it appears after sunset, and the morning star when it shines at dawn. Venus has played significant roles in the astrology and mythology of various cultures. The Greeks named it after their goddess of love and beauty, while the Mayans meticulously tracked its cycles and related it to their warfare timings. As centuries rolled on, the invention of the telescope allowed us a closer look at Venus. Galileo's observations sparked a scientific curiosity that has endured to this day. From the naked eye to the first telescopes, Venus has always been a source of intrigue. But it was only with the advent of space exploration that we could truly begin to unravel its mysteries. As humanity ventured into the space age, Venus, once a mere point of light, began to reveal its secrets. The first brave voyagers to this enigmatic world were a series of space probes launched by NASA and the Soviet Union in the mid-20th century. These pioneers, the Mariner and Venera programs, were humanity's eyes and ears, unveiling a world that had been shrouded in mystery for millennia. The Mariner program, comprising 10 unmanned spacecraft, was NASA's first foray into interplanetary exploration. Mariner 2, launched in 1962, was the first successful mission to Venus. It discovered that Venus has an extremely high surface temperature, hot enough to melt lead, and a thick, crushing atmosphere, 92 times the pressure of Earth's. It was also Mariner that discovered the Venusian winds, which whip around the planet at hurricane speeds. Parallel to Mariner, the Soviet Union launched its own series of missions to Venus under the umbrella of the Venera program. These spacecraft were the first to successfully land on another planet and survive long enough to transmit data back to Earth. Venera's findings painted a picture of a world covered in volcanic plains, suggesting that Venus has been geologically active for much of its history. One of the most intriguing discoveries about Venus, however, is its slow and retrograde rotation. Unlike all the other planets in our solar system, Venus spins in the opposite direction to its orbit around the Sun, and it does so very slowly. A single day-night cycle on Venus lasts longer than a Venusian year. These missions painted a picture of Venus as a hostile world, a stark contrast to our own. Yet the exploration of Venus was far from over. The mysteries of Venus continue to captivate us, pushing the boundaries of our curiosity and our technological capabilities. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, each discovery only serves to remind us of how much there is left to learn. In the 21st century, our understanding of Venus continues to evolve as new technologies allow us to probe deeper into its mysteries. Recent missions like Venus Express, launched by the European Space Agency, and Akatsuki, a Japanese aerospace exploration agency project, have been instrumental in these leaps of knowledge. Venus Express, orbiting Venus from 2006 to 2014, shed light on the planet's weather patterns, revealing a complex and dynamic system. The mission also studied Venus's atmospheric chemistry, further deepening our understanding of this enigmatic planet. Meanwhile, Akatsuki, after an initial setback, began orbiting Venus in 2015. It has been observing the planet's weather and cloud patterns, providing invaluable data to scientists back on Earth. One of the most intriguing recent discoveries is the detection of phosphine, a gas typically produced by living organisms in Venus's atmosphere. This finding has sparked a flurry of speculation and excitement about the possibility of life on Venus, however remote. Looking ahead, we have upcoming missions such as NASA's Veritas and Da Vinci Plus. Veritas, which stands for Venus Emissivity, Radioscience, INSAR, Topography and Spectroscopy, aims to understand why Venus developed so differently from Earth. It will map Venus's surface to determine the planet's geologic history and understand the role of water in its history. Da Vinci Plus, or Deep Atmosphere Venus. Investigation of noble gases, chemistry and imaging plus will study Venus's atmosphere to understand how it formed and evolved. It will also determine whether Venus ever had an ocean. As we look forward to these future missions, who knows what new revelations about our sister planet await us? Venus, once a distant point of light, continues to fascinate and challenge our understanding of the solar system.